Hello, my name is Alexei Mikhailov, and today I'd like to tell you a few words about our Bering Marine 50. It's a hydrofoil cat. It's a crossover between two lines of Bering cats and Bering Marine line of boats, which is starting from 28 foot. This is a Swift Explorer version. We have two versions of this boat. One is Express. It's kind of weekender picnic boat. This version with the flybridge, it's a true Explorer with a dinghy, with a crane, or with a big cockpit, with fishing amenities. This is very different from Bering line because this boat can go up to 45 knots and cruise at around 30 to 35 knots. It's a great sport fisherman. It's a great exploration boat because it's packing lots of fuel. It's 2 tons of fuel in this machine. The practical range is about 500 miles. You can travel Mediterranean, you can travel any coastlines with good speed and great comfort. We will talk about comfort on board, but in general, you see how great and massive. It's full aluminum. It's made of aluminum, hull and the superstructure. In a Swift version, we don't have a flybridge. We have a flat roof, which can accommodate a lot of solar panels. This is a fiberglass top to make it lighter, faster, more economical. But for the exploration, this is the rig. You know, right now it's in a perfect stage. So we can see the volume, we can see all the spaces, the hull and superstructure completed, and let's go on board. This boat can use outboards, 2 outboards on each sponson, diesel outboards, gasoline outboards. We need total of 1200 horsepower to propel this boat with the required speed. As you can see, the cockpit is large. We have a good platform here, which is great for fishing. So your motors are here, and also it can have an extended ladder to go down in the water or go to the pier. Now we're the cockpit. A cockpit of exploration version. You can see here massive fish boxes, live bait wells. You can set here perfect fishing, sport fishing machine. It's a storage space, cabinets, your tackle boxes here. For fishing, it's ideal arrangements. On our Express version here, it's more like a settee, grill, bar, this kind of arrangement. The beamy. This boat is really, really beamy. We have 5 meter plus, 505, I believe, of beam. It's a cat. We have to remember it's a cat. It's a beauty of a cat is beam, its volume, its space. So headroom, perfect. Operation with a fishing rod, perfect. It is great for entertainment. You have a settee here, you have a table, you can put chairs here. This boat can be equipped with 4 outboard engines or with twin diesel engines inboard with the inboard-outboard unit or with the harness and drive or with a jet. So it's versatility, depends on what your purpose is, depends on what your aquatorium is, what your required draft. Even IPS or Zeus also is good for this boat. So this boat has a full walk around and massive forward deck, which is good for sunbathing, for sitting around. You can put the launchers there, you can put chairs there and have a picnic up forward. So you see it's a good size walk around, you know, with the railing here. It's safe and secure. Now we are on a forward deck. You can see how vast it is, how beautiful, spacious it is. We have anchors here, 4 hatches, which is give a fresh air to the cabins. And here we can have a passerelle, which is a great because this boat have a shallow draft and you can get close to the shore and put the passerelle down. You can go in and out of the boat when it's close to the shore. I think it's a great feature. Of course, it's optional, but it's very good to have something like this on the boat. Now you can see we cannot get there. It's no stairs yet. It's a very, very big flybridge. We don't have a hard top. It's gonna be a soft top, so you can put the canopy over and you will be in the shade. But for less resistance, we decide not to put the hard top on this model. Because remember, this boat can go up to 45 knots and the hard top would be like a very, very big air drag for this model. On Express version, we have a flat roof. It can be 15 square meters up to maybe 20 square meters of the solar panels on top. And it's a lighter model. And instead of this massive aluminum structure, we would have a slim fiberglass top. Salon. Again, thanks to the beam. It's very wide, lots of glass, open aft. Here you can have a hedge type of window which goes upward and the door slides out and you have a full connection with the cockpit. And here is going to be a settee which is folding to a bed for 2 people, queen size bed or twin size bed. The galley on this side with the refrigerator, with the hob, microwave, oven, everything. And these 2 boxes, yes, they take space, but it's a shower cabins and heads of the 2 staterooms which we have down below. You see Helm, it's position center, great visibility. 2 people can sit at the helm comfortably, and again, the visibility is 360 degrees. On this flying machine, it's a great helm position. You can put a lot of equipment, a lot of screens, and all the gadgets here. It's 2 identical staterooms here, both of them with the queen size beds and ensuite heads. Let's check out this one. Now we are in the port side cabin. The petition will be right in the middle, so it will be 2 identical cabins. You see the headroom here. It's very, very, very good. The bed position will be at this height, which is also not like up here. And you have about 1.3 meters above. You don't feel like you're in a cave. The wardrobes here and a lot of storage space under the bed. I think it's a perfect cabin. You can spend a week here with not feeling claustrophobic or deprived of anything. And now let's go to the head. Now I'm in the head. It will be a full-size shower here, toilet, and the sink. So everything is, again, the headroom is great. You have good width, good volume here. I think these staterooms are perfect for 50-foot craft. And ample daylight here as well. You know, for Bering Marine Line, as well as for Bering, I think the customizing is very important. Would like to make crafts versatile. This version is for true exploration, for long passages, for stay aboard, and Express version is for great weekend parties, not much fishing. Yes, of course you can fish from anything, but the Express version basically for the parties, for the short trips, great for families. And this version could be turned into a fishing rig or just an exploration vessel with good accommodations, good overnight accommodations, week trips, 2 weeks trips, a vacation is possible on this thing. Also, speaking of speed, for customers of Bering, speed is not an option. So it's a displacement vessel, including our cat lines. It's exploration displacement vessels designed to go long range, designed to go far away. This boat is a crossover. Yes, it's have a range of 500 miles, but it goes swiftly. Whatever it takes, maybe 10 hours to reach on a slow boat, on this boat it's just 3 hours. It's just a quick passage. You can catch your window of weather. If it's calm in the morning and rough afternoon, which is happening often in some aquatorias, so you can choose the morning time and run quickly. In 3 hours, by noon you're already at your destination. You have freedom, you have versatility, and you have everything. I hope you get your first impression of this craft. Please wait for the next video when it's going to be at the next stage with interiors, with the outfitting and fairing and everything. We will show you this boat at the next stage. And in the meantime, we're starting the express version of this boat in a very, very near future.